Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're discussing the WellVia transition and what it means for users of Recuro Health services. You might have encountered this URL, https://recurohealth.com/wellvia-transition. So let's break down what's happening and what you need to know. Essentially, Recuro Health is rebranding as WellVia, signaling a change not just in name, but potentially in the services offered, and possibly the user experience as a whole. This transition page on Recuro Health's website likely provides important details about the shift. It probably outlines the reasoning behind the rebranding, potentially highlighting new features, improved services, or a broader market reach. This type of rebranding is quite common in the healthcare industry as companies evolve and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of health and wellness. The website likely explains what this means for existing Recuro Health users. It may detail any necessary steps users need to take to ensure a smooth transition to the WellVia platform. This might include updating login information, reviewing new terms of service, or familiarizing themselves with a redesigned interface. It's essential to visit the link and carefully review the information presented to ensure uninterrupted access to your healthcare services. Often, rebranding involves more than just a name change. It can represent a shift in company direction, a refocusing of priorities, or the integration of new technologies. While the URL itself doesn't reveal all the details, it points to a significant change underway. Keep an eye out for further communications from Recuro Health, now transitioning to WellVia, about updates, changes, and improvements to their platform and services. It's a good idea to proactively explore the information available on the transition page and stay informed about the developments. This will allow you to make the most of the changes and continue to benefit from the services offered by WellVia. Be sure to thoroughly explore the WellVia website once the transition is complete to understand the full scope of the rebranding and its impact on your healthcare experience. Don't hesitate to contact their customer support if you have any questions or require assistance during this transition period.